Hello everyone, welcome to the Lancet Summer YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Armin Khavandegar, a medical doctor and medical researcher, and here we are with Dr. Payman Salamati, a professor at Tehran University of Medical Sciences, specialized in the field of social and preventive medicine, and Dr. Ali Hindawi, a medical doctor and medical researcher. In this channel, we are going to summarize medical hot topics recently published in the Lancet journal. Dr. Salamati, what topic are we going to discuss?
Hello everybody, many thanks Armin and Ali. For today, I've selected a specific paper called Safeguard in Research Integrity. It's editorial of the Lancet journal and it was published on 24th February 2024.
So, are the authors of the paper suggesting that there is a rise on research misconduct?
Absolutely. You know that they confirm that in recent years, research misconduct increased dramatically. For instance, Nature published a report and they stated that about 14,000 papers retracted last year. Unfortunately, it's a record. You know that the definition of retraction is for some papers which have already published and after a while the editorial office found that there were some research misconducts within them, so they retracted them.
Dr. Salamati, what types of research misconducts are usually encountered in the field of publishing articles?
To be more precise, there are different kinds of research misconducts, including papermills, reviewer mills, and fraud special editions. In recent years, AI can help for research misconduct, so there are a host of different concerns about the emergence of AI. Research misconducts waste our resources and harm patients. And it shows that the research ecosystem is so fragile and vulnerable.
Dr. Hindawi, who do you consider to be held responsible for the current situation?
I think individual researchers accountable for the planning, conduct, and reporting of studies need to take responsibility for misconduct. However, systemic factors and perverse incentives play an important role as well.
And I think that all of the players in such environments are responsible. I mean that not only the authors are responsible, but also research institutes, editors, and publishers should be accountable.
Dr. Khavandegar, why do you think research institutes are to blame for this situation?
Actually, most of institutions currently still consider the quantity of papers published in the journals as a proxy and indicator for how a person is qualified enough for promotion and hiring. Besides, most institutions do not adequately investigate the source of research misconduct. Dr. Salamati, what were the roles of editors and publishers in this scenario?
Some of editors and publishers value the number of the papers more than the qualified papers. And in recent years, we see some open access journals that they invite different researchers to subscribe their papers within their journals. And in the next step, they invite some guest editors and they claim that we can review and publish your paper quickly. In this way, this environment shows us that they are vulnerable to different biases.
In 2022, the 7th World Conference on Research Integrity, or WCRI, was held and attempted to acknowledge research integrity. What was the output of this conference?
They released a statement called Declaration on Research Assessment, and also they confirmed Hong Kong principles, and they are going to create new methods for better assessment of the research.
About the next conference, where will it be held and what will it cover?
The 8th WCRI will be held in Athens, Greece in June 2024, and they are going to discuss two different subjects: paper mills and how we can face artificial intelligence regarding research misconducts.
Recently, United to Act released a statement. Could you please explain a little bit more about it?
You know that United to Act is an international group of stakeholders, and they released 5 different solutions, including education and awareness, post-publication editing, research about paper mills, developing indicators for trust, and dialogue between stakeholders.
And what is the Lancet's journal strategy for improving the process?
In the Lancet, they are going to make new ways for screening submitted papers for better trust evaluation.
In summary, what were the key findings of the authors of this paper?
I believe that all of these solutions are great. The paper is going to say that all stakeholders have to revise their current wrong disciplines. The system that prioritizes quantity rather than quality, and a system which doesn't reward scientists in right way, and the editorial rights. In short, we need to think collectively and collaboratively about sustainable solutions for making research an environment where scientists do not just survive but thrive.
Thank you for your thorough explanations. Once more, the goal of this YouTube channel is to provide summary of medical hot topics recently published in the Lancet journal. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comment below this video, and subscribe our channel.